Are you looking for the best adult folding bikes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best adult folding bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZiZZO Campo Folding Bike. The ZiZZO Campo folding bike is a lightweight and convenient option for riders of all ages. With its easy folding feature, you can fold and carry the bike in seconds, eliminating the need to leave it outside. The bike also offers 7 speeds and a grip-style shifter, allowing you to easily adjust the speed to your preference. The adjustable aluminum alloy stem provides added comfort and flexibility, while the resin folding pedals and wider comfortable saddle enhance the overall riding experience. The bike is designed to securely hold the folded frame together with its magnet catcher. Weighing only 29.0 pounds, the ZiZZO Campo folding bike is perfect for riders aged 16 to 75 who are looking for a versatile and lightweight folding bike. What we like: lightweight, easy folding, 7 speeds. Number 2. Outroad 26-inch Folding Mountain Bike. The Outroad folding mountain bike is designed for versatility and comfort. With 26-inch wheels and a sturdy 17-inch frame, it's easy to adjust the seat height for a customized fit. The bike features a high-carbon steel dual suspension frame and 21 speed gears, allowing you to effortlessly switch gears for different terrains, making every ride enjoyable. Safety is prioritized with reliable front and rear disc brakes, giving you better control and confidence even on steep or uneven paths. Ideal for both casual riders and enthusiasts, this bike combines functionality with ease of use. What we like: adjustable seat height, 21 speed gear system, reliable disc brakes, lightweight and foldable. Number 3. Ktaxon 20-in Folding Bike. The Ktaxon folding bike is a versatile and convenient option for riders of all ages. With its professional 7-speed shifting system, you can easily switch gears with just the touch of a button, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride. The powerful mechanical dual disc brakes provide a strong braking effect and quick response, giving you added safety and control on the road. The special shock-absorbing frame and lockout suspension fork deliver a double shock effect, resulting in a smoother and more comfortable riding experience. Additionally, the bike is 100% assembled and features a foldable design, making it easy to transport and store. The adjustable seat and handlebar allow you to customize the bike to your height, ensuring a comfortable fit. With its strong durability and premium high-carbon steel construction, the Ktaxon folding bike is built to last. Whether you're commuting, riding in the park, or enjoying outdoor adventures, this bike is a reliable and convenient choice. What we like: professional 7-speed shifting system, powerful mechanical dual disc brakes, double shock effect for a smoother ride. Number 4. EUROBIKE Folding Full Suspension Bike. The EUROBIKE folding bike is designed for convenience and comfort. With its quick-release clip, you can easily fold the bike for storage or transport, making it perfect for small apartments or car trunks. The full suspension frame enhances your ride by absorbing bumps, ensuring a smoother experience on various terrains. Its dual disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, increasing your safety while riding. Additionally, the bike features 21 speeds, allowing you to tackle flat roads with ease and climb hills efficiently. This bike combines practicality with performance, making it a great choice for all riders. What we like: compact and portable, smooth ride quality, reliable braking system, versatile speed options. Number 5. Schwinn Hinge Folding Bike. The Schwinn Hinge folding bike is perfect for urban commuters and city riders. Its sturdy steel frame and 20-inch alloy wheels make it easy to carry, fold, and store. With a 1-speed drivetrain, you can easily coast when you need a break, and the Rider Plus cargo weight limit is 300 pounds. Additionally, the bike comes with full-wrap fenders to keep you clean and dry while riding, and a rear carrying rack perfect for your work bag. Assembly is required, but it includes a thick nylon storage bag for your convenience. What we like: Convenient single-speed folding bike. Sturdy steel frame and 20-inch alloy wheels. Full wrap fenders to keep you clean and dry while riding.